Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here at TGI Friday. Of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at some exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are ending the week with U.S. stock futures in the red. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.12%, S&P 500 futures down 0.3%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.75%. Shares of General Motor are down slightly after it was announced that the CEO of their autonomous driving unit, Cruise, has left the company. GM announced certain leadership changes after the CEO of Cruise, Dan Ammann, left the company. President and Chief Technical Officer of Cruise, Kyle Vogt, will serve as the interim CEO until a suitable successor is found. Cruise is GM's ambitious autonomous vehicle platform, which the company is strategically building to capture the fast-growing AV market beyond rideshare and delivery. The GM stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 27%. And Genuine Parts has signed an agreement to acquire Kaman Distribution Group for approximately $1.3 billion. Kaman Distribution provides power transmission, automation, and fluid power industrial distributor solutions across the U.S. It supplies electromechanical products, bearings, power transmission, motion control, and electrical and fluid power components to MRO and OEM customers. They expect to generate revenue of around $1.1 billion next year. Genuine Parts expects the acquisition to contribute to its adjusted earnings per share within the first year of closing. Their stock is currently rated a moderate sell with a slight upside of 0.24%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Darden Restaurants and Winnebago, while the after hours remains quite quiet. Yesterday, we heard from ADBE, whose shares dropped about 10% after the company provided disappointing fiscal 2022 guidance. ADBE reported adjusted earnings of $3.20 per share, which came in line with the consensus estimates. Their total revenue came in at $4.11 billion, growing 20% year-over-year and topping analyst expectations of $4.09 billion. For the first quarter of fiscal 2022, the company projects net revenue to be $4.23 billion versus the estimated $4.34 billion. Their stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 26%. And shares of FedEx jumped in the after hours last night after the company posted their second quarter earnings. FedEx reported adjusted earnings of $4.83 per share, easily beating the street's estimates of $4.27 per share. Their revenue increased 14% year-over-year to $23.5 billion, well ahead of analyst estimates of $22.44 billion. Their stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 29%. And Lennar Corporation posted solid results for their fourth quarter. Their earnings came in at $4.36 per share, higher than the street's estimates of $4.15 per share, and their year-ago figure of $2.82. Revenues rose 24% year-over-year to $8.4 billion, exceeding analyst expectations of $8.2 billion. Their stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 16%. Now, let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Cerner. Their stock is up after it was said that Oracle could be in talks to purchase them. Trading under the ticker CERN, their stock is currently up 18%. They're followed by Adagio Therapeutics under the ticker ADGI. Their stock is up 4.3% following triple-digit gains yesterday on news that their COVID antibody could still tackle the Omicron variant. And eHome Household Service Holdings under the ticker EJH, their stock is now up over 9.7%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Rivian Automotive after the company released their first earnings as a publicly traded company. Under the ticker RIVN, their stock is currently down 7.8%. They're followed by Futu Holdings under the ticker FUTU. Their stock is down 7.6% after a negative response from Reuters that Chinese regulators are planning to ban online brokerages. And United States Steel, under the ticker X, their stock is down just over 4% following their fourth quarter guidance. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.